Number 3 is Toybox 3D printer for kids. When it comes to the ultimate adventure in creativity for kids, the Toybox 3D printer takes the spotlight as the best 3D printer for kids. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey of crafting toys right at your fingertips. This genius widget is designed to make your wildest imaginations come to life with its simple, one-touch magic. Picture this, a printer that's a toy treasure trove. The Toybox catalog boasts a dazzling array of thousands of toys, just waiting to be summoned into reality. And guess what? It's like a magical toy genie that keeps growing, with fresh playthings popping up weekly and seasonally. Ready to unleash your inner toy designer? Brace yourself for the creator space, where your genius knows no bounds. You can upload designs or sketch new pals using simple apps and tools. And don't sweat it, because all your precious creations find a comfy spot on the cloud, always ready to be summoned into existence. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.